Iba pala yung akin. So, depressed lang pala. Akin is pink.
Congratulations to our winner! We ordered it. We have a surprise for you guys. So we will be announcing the winner of our previous giveaway at the end of the video. So stay tuned, and we would like to thank all those who joined. I hope you guys join our next giveaway. And thank you for subscribing, liking our videos, and
thank
for
watching and supporting. Subscribe sa mga hindi pa po
na-subscribe. Kasi mamimigay pa kami ng giveaway. So watch out. So for this vlog, we will be announcing the winner. So we ordered these clothes last December 12, and then it arrived around December 19. So 1 week lang siya. Actually, nagulat kami kasi if you watched our first vlog about Shein, we're not sure if Shein or Shein, but we're just gonna call it Shein. So yeah, parang almost a month siya dumating, no?
Yeah, mas matagal, mga 2 to 3 weeks, and then ito nagulat kami ng 1 week.
Yeah, 1 week lang.
We ordered it no 12/12, December 12, kasi for discounts.
Yeah. So watch out every December, every 12/12 or parang monthly promos. Yeah. Grabe yung discount nila. I think taka 5K kami dito all in all. Plus we got 1,000 pesos off plus free shipping.
During that time. So,
super winner. Yeah.
So isa-isahin namin yung mga damit for you to know yung price range ng clothes nila. And then,
and at the same time, the actual name of the clothes we ordered. So you guys can browse it. So actually, add ko lang, medyo in-expect ko na magde-delay yung delivery nito. Why? Yeah, kasi holiday season. So parang tinanggap ko na if more than a month or something. But grabe, 1 week solid. Thank you so much, Shein. Yan. So now, let's start. Sky will be opening the first package or the first item.
Let's start with the 3 items na unusual. Hindi kami nag-order nito before.
Yeah, it's our first time.
But we tried ordering this time. So we got bikinis.
Pakita natin.
So let's open it.
I love the packaging.
So cute. Summer bag. So let's open it.
Yeah.
We both got maroon. And then
parang medyo matchy ka.
Got a black swimsuit. So wala naman akong balak mag-beach mo.
Pero getting ready lang for summer. So the name of this bikini is Rib Triangle Thong Bikini Swimsuit. So the original SRP or price of this one is 386 pesos. Naging 250 pesos na lang siya. So grabe. We already had 1,000 pesos off. Tapos discounted pa yung items that we ordered. So again, this is Rib Triangle Thong Bikini Swimsuit for 250 pesos from original price of 386 pesos.
Okay naman yung quality, guys. Makapal naman siya.
Yeah. Sa akin important kasi pag swimsuit, syempre makapal. Meron kasi yung mga super mura. Ang nipis ng tela. Parang hindi siya quality worthy. Okay. I'll be opening mine. Same color.
Actually, parang sa video parang red siya, pero
maroon talaga siya. So medyo same din ang sa kanya. There you go. So this one is Rib V-neck bikini swimsuit. I got this for 356 pesos from original price of 483. So very sulit kasi, 'di ba? Discounted na, may ano pa. May 1,000 pesos.
So sukat na lang.
So matchy kami. Tara! Hindi muna namin sukat para surprise when born. Saka diet pa talaga kami. Pero ayan, I love the quality. Ang tela niya is makapal talaga. Tsaka parang comfy. May mga swimsuit kasi na uncomfy sa skin. So I love it. I think yung quality naman niya is the one I expected also from the photos. And the reviews. Important kasi na binabasa niyo yung reviews for each item para malaman niyo if talagang yun ba talaga yung na-expect nyo. Quality or material. This is sa'yo yan.
So I got another swimsuit for fun. Pero ano lang siya?
Top lang siya.
Top lang.
Yeah.
Mura lang siya.
So this one is named Crossback Bikini Top. This guy got this for 179 pesos from 242 pesos. O diba? Super sulit.
Okay yung quality. Kasi yung tela niya, yung design niya, style niya, hindi na stripes. Like, plain.
Yeah, so yun. Important kasi sa amin. Actually, na-notice namin before yung type of tela ng Shein clothes. So parang now, during our second purchase, alam na namin yung itsura na pag ito yung itsura niya sa photo.
May specific tela.
Yeah, ganun yung type of tela niya since we already bought before. So the next one is the first item. So this one is
It's Shein Surprise Neck Knit Top. So it's color coffee brown.
so we got this for
We got this for only
285 pesos
from its original price
of 300. Grabe ang
sale ng 12.
So, we've decided na huwag munang isukat para pag nakita nyo na suot namin siya sa vlog, mas may surprise, essence of surprise. So, okay naman din yung tela. Hindi super kapal. Kasi mainit din, especially long sleeves siya.
Pwede pang date.
Pwede pang date night. Kaya ata makikipag-date siya yung pumili ng top.
Sana all.
Watch out. So, contact Sky at 0926. Okay. Top done. Hold lang natin siya ng maayos. We can wait natin sa
Alright, so let's move on to the next top.
Malis na kasi.
So this top is mock neck rib knit crop top. It's
Again,
rib mock neck crop top.
Mock no.
It's color khaki.
So, ribbed mock neck crop.
Ulit.
Ay, Sky, hindi. Yellow yun. Nagkamali siya, guys. Erase.
Hindi yun, no? Iba yun.
This is button half placket rib knit. Oh, diba? Medyo mahilig ako sa ganitong tela kasi parang pag mainit, super comfy siya. At the same time, hindi pa siya fitted.
Tapos meron pa palang extra button, guys. Siguro po naman, lesser niya.
So, this is what it looks like. Again, surprise na lang when worn siya. But, we got this for how much? We got this for 179 pesos from 242. Gosh! I love it. Bagay ito sa mga high-waist pants or high-waist shorts.
Parang you got the same design, pero in different color din.
Yeah.
Similar.
Pero yung buttons niya medyo maliit. So, pwede yung style na medyo open ng konti. Okay, susan na naman yung packaging na next na Sky. 2 times yun ang ginagawa. So, nasa na Sky? Ang likot niya!
Next item, ito totoo na. Yung sinabi ko kanina. Ribbed mock neck crop top. We got it for only 179 pesos as well.
From the original price of
The original price
242. So again, this is 179 pesos.
Pang winter. Winter
Hindi pa
wonderland.
ng office. Kaso crop
office, yeah. Pwede siya.
Pero ang cute ng tela niya. Yung tela niya is medyo soft.
That
madulas.
color is tacky.
got this for
179
pesos from 240 pesos. Okay, so yan, tatanggalin na natin yung packaging ulit. So, bago niya tanggalin,
so for the next stop, we have
Quiet! Anyway, so for the next item, we have this is one of my favorites. Matagal ko na ito gustong order. Hintay ko lang mag-sale kasi alam ko naman mag-sale eventually. Ayan. So this is colored V-neck rib knit tee. We got this for 215 pesos. Yeah. Original price niya is 290 pesos. So 215 na lang siya, guys. Super cute. I think this design has a lot of colors available. Pero we want white kasi parang mas malakas maka-classy at the same time, mas madali siya bagay. So this is what it looks like in real life. Tita Pao, hi! Say hi to our
follow
mom.
him.
Follow me. It's follow me.
Anyway, so ihuli na natin ito. Okay. I-last na natin yung mga
Tita Pao, say hi!
Oh, you're there!
Ay, nakalimutan akong dalawang tapo.
So,
Happy New Year!
follow him. Happy New Year! So, pinapakita namin sa kanila ang mga na-shopping sa Shein online. And i-review na rin namin at the same time. So, for our next product, let's open it, pero mag-install modern. Black shoe. Okay, this one is for 108 pesos. Its original price is 145 pesos. Ribbed solid crop tube top.
Oh yeah. Basic lang. Kasi actually marami na ito sa Terra Nova and then sa Forever 21, H&M. But super mura sa Shein. Pag sale ha, pero pag hindi sale na.
Yes, nasa ilalim natin sa taro.
Sana naman yung packaging nito.
Okay, for the next product, we have, this is similar to the yellow top kanina na Star showed you guys. Pero color white siya.
Kailan mamili mo, Paolo?
Lola, nagre-video ang ing.
Thank you. This one is for 143 pesos. Original price is 193 pesos.
What is the name of the top again?
Bottom front
rib knit crop. So if you notice, marami kami in-order na rib knit top. Kasi wala, I love the cloth. Bagay siya pag super init, especially here in the Philippines. So, medyo manipis yung tela at the same time, comfy. So, I recommend these tops.
So, for the last 4 products, yung 2 products ay dress. So, for the first dress, let me present this cute white dress.
Favorite
O,
one.
di ba? Pwedeng pang date din. Ganon. Kung makipag-date man. So, 2021 na. Anyway, so, ito ay 428 pesos only. From its original price, 580 pesos. Oh, look, it's so cute.
Again, this is Frill Trim Tie Front Crinkle Dress. Pero yung in-expect mo ba yan from the photo of the...
Yeah.
No, I mean same sa expectations mo.
Oo, same naman. Though malalaman natin kapag sinabi.
Yeah, so again, surprise! Pag nakisukat na siya.
For the next dress, I also picked this one. This one naman.
Di ba wala na ako yung unbox? Lahat yun sa kanya na.
May rose print siya. It's Ditzy Floral Square Neck. 428 pesos from 580 pesos. So, dalagang Pilipina eh.
Ito yung actual print niya.
Diba? Though manipis yung tela niya, guys. Just so you know. So, kung anong kulay na underwear mo, medyo kita siya.
So we got this for 428 pesos.
From 580 pesos.
Diba? So Super
Pwede
sweet.
pang church. Yan. Kasi we wear dress to church. Okay. Okay, for the last two.
Nalagay ko kasi.
For the last two products, we have pants.
Yeah, we ordered pants. Kasi syempre, need
Mura
talaga
lang
yan.
guys, kasi itong black pants.
Parang sa amin yung Shein. Mura
Yeah,
lang,
parang-
bili na kayo. Tumay na
Parang
lang
may
sa comment
percentage
section.
kami sa sales nila.
Yeah, so Shein has
Oh,
to thank
share
us.
folder.
Correct.
Anyways, so this
For the first pants,
for the first pants, this is high-rise vented ankle cut. It's color black. 321 pesos lang siya from
From?
450 pesos. Oh. Okay, yung tela niya is parang nipis, but pwedeng pang office. Pwede siyang parang slacks-ish na parang leggings.
yeah, tsaka hindi na siya super kapal. So,
Ay, parang maluwag sa akin. Ang laki niya. So again, this is high-rise vended ankle. Black.
okay. For the last item, or the last pants, high waist pants. So, ganito siya sa likod, and then sa harap, ganito siya. Medyo stretchy siya para comfy. Ganun kasi yung gusto kong style. Hindi rin ako ma-denim pants. It's actually my first time.
First leather pants.
ever.
High-rise distressed skinny jeans.
Yeah, so we got this for 621 pesos from the original price of 870. So this is what it looks like kapag nakaharap. And then pag nakatalikod, yeah, kasha kaya ito. Nasukat yun na lang kasi sa akin. So surprise na. Tada! I super love the quality. So if you're looking for the right denim pants or if gusto nyo stretchy, I would recommend this one. Especially if naka-sale siya. Yeah. Okay, so last but never the least, we're gonna announce the
gift namin.
winner for our first giveaway vlog. So, to be able to pick a random winner, papakita namin ulit kung ano yung prize na makukuha ng winner. And at the same time, live kami mag-spin the wheel to show you guys na di kami ng daya or talagang random winner yung mananalo. Kasi syempre, that's very important. So, wait, kinuha ni Sky yung prize and ayusin ko lang. Ano talaga isa? So, actually, to be honest, based on our first purchase from Shein, mas nag-enjoy ako this time kasi yun nga, alam na namin yung type of cloth kapag nakita namin sa picture. At the same time, medyo mas konti yung magkakapareho kasi nung first purchase namin, puro black, tapos puro V yung style. So, parang pag sinuot siya, parang same lang na damit, pero hindi talaga. So, mas gusto ko yung mono-purchase namin for this time. So, since Sky is here, yeah, we'll be showing
So
you.
guys, for you to find out the name of this dress and the price, we mentioned it sa previous vlog namin. Check nyo na lang. But for now, we'll be showing you the dress. Hindi ko ito gamit guys sa cabinet. Nakapack
Where's
pa.
my phone?
So there, talagang polo dress siya.
Yeah. Okay, so are you guys ready? Ayan. Yeah. I'll be showing the screen din naman. So here it is. This is screen share ko naman. So, are you guys ready to know? So, lapit lang ako para makita nila. So, ayan.
Yan yung name.
Kinopy ko yung names. Yan. Complete yan. Walang daya. There you go. And I'll be screen recording this. So, para proof lang na legit siya. Okay, so are you guys ready to spin the wheel?
Spin the wheel in 3,
Can I press the button?
2, actually you really spin it literal. 1, go! Oh,
Ay,
oh
hindi.
my
You
gosh.
press the gitna.
Iba pala yung akin. So, di-press lang pala. Akin ni spin.
Congratulations to our winner!
Oh my gosh!
Woohoo! It's Jack Dexon de Torres! Congratulations! And so congratulations to our winner. Again, it's Jack Dexon de Torres. We'll be delivering the prize to you. You just need to message Sky or me on Instagram.
Although
It's,
we will try to reach out, but you may message us.
yeah, you can comment
Via
down below if you want us to
Instagram.
email you. Pero,
At
we
Star
request-
Segovia and at Sky Segovia. So, message us to claim your prize. Happy New Year!
Happy siya.
Yeah, super happy for you kasi I really ordered this. Like, choice ko kami. Sige, go.
Okay, so just don't forget to message us on Instagram. Again, it's Star Segovia and
Sky Segovia.
so we'll be placing our, what do you call it, Instagram handles, yeah, below so you guys can see and follow us and message us so that you just need to send a screenshot of your comment to our previous one. So, para as proof lang. Actually, yeah, and para ma-make sure namin na ikaw yun, baka kasi iba yun. Again,
hopefully,
congratulations.
mapanood mo to.
Kasi pag di niya napanood, mag-spin the wheel ulit tayo.
Yeah.
We'll give her
At least
1
a week.
month. Bato, pick. 1 week siya, ako 1 month.
Isa lang?
Paper, scissors. Isa lang.
Isa lang. Or
Tatlong ha?
tatlo.
Go.
Bato, pick. Bato, pick. 1 week. You have 1 week
To
watch
message
this.
us.
Wow.
So, if
And
hindi niyo ito
claim
napanood,
your
guys,
prize.
comment kayo ulit kasi kakopy namin yung set of names and then we're gonna spin. We're gonna spin the wheel again.
We're gonna spin the wheel.
So we hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, don't forget to like this video if you're happy. At the same time, don't forget to subscribe.